Now we are on the second type of RRL writing style, and we call it the broad to specific review. From the name itself, it's very self-explanatory. You start with the broad topic, then you try to uh, make it a step lower, wherein it will still highlight the broad topic that you have identified, but you deal now on the specific details. So it's like a deductive way. Is it deductive or inductive? Yeah, it's a deductive way from general to specific details. That's your main goal in writing the RRL. So the title of this study, we have Reinforcing Metacognition in CAD Education Using Video Tutorials. So this was published in Computer Aided Design and Applications. So the author, you have Ioannis Paliokas. I hope I pronounced the name correctly. And let's look at the RRL directly. So here you have the abstract, then introduction. This is what I've highlighted earlier. So some papers will not really identify if it's already the RRL because the review of related literature usually is considered part of the introduction. So you can see here, you have a short introduction, 2 paragraphs, and you already have some of the headings here signifying that it's already the RRL, supporting now the study. So when I say broad to specific, so definitely you will start at the overarching idea, overarching topic. And in this case, about the learning environment. So control of the learning environment. So if you will read the whole paragraph here, anyway, download the file again so that you can immerse yourself understanding this writing style. And then if you can see here, heading 3, handling different concept maps and strategies. So this can be considered as a component for the learning environment. So still, discussing on the learning environment and one specific strategy now, having concept maps and different strategies for students to apply reflective thinking. Then you can see on heading number 4, you have metacognition and computer aided design. So more specific details of the component environment identified. And if you will look at the 5th heading, this is the specific details of the study. So you can see now the gradual development of the discussion, starting from the broad topic of learning environment down to the specific details and the aims of your study. Remember that in RRL writing, you also need to include your own voice and what will your study add now to the general discourse of topic being considered. So this is the second type, broad to specific review style in writing the RRL.